Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck, and I want to thank you for watching this video on affiliate marketing for beginners 2022-2023. And in this video, what I'm going to do is talk about an affiliate program that you can be a part of and earn $20 and $100 monthly commissions month after month after month for as long as people stay customers of their products. Before I get started with this video, if you want to see more videos on how to make money online, go ahead and click the subscribe button below. Click the bell icon next to it in case you want to receive notifications for when I upload a new video. Now onto the video. So on my screen here is a sales page for the all-in-one $25 digital business. This is an affiliate program that was created by a company called the Home Business Academy. The Home Business Academy has been around since 2016, and it offers a funnel builder. If you know anything about ClickFunnels is like the most popular funnel builder, page builder on the internet, and a lot of marketers, successful marketers, use it. The HBA, Home Business Academy, has their own funnel builder at a cheaper price, and it does basically the same thing that ClickFunnels does. So they also have a monthly membership for people who are aspiring entrepreneurs who want to learn how to generate traffic for their offers, how to generate leads from that traffic, and how to convert their leads into sales. That's all that membership is about. And with that membership, what they do is that they concentrate on traffic strategies and lead generation strategies and sales strategies that work today, right now, not strategies that worked 5 or 10 years ago. And all of this training is done by the co-founders of the Home Business Academy. Their names are Mike Hobbs and Paul Hutchings. They're both 7-figure earners, and they have been top earners in multiple affiliate marketing companies and network marketing companies. They came together to create the Home Business Academy because they were sick and tired of being part of companies that drastically changed their affiliate programs or their compensation plans that did not benefit the affiliates, and they were sick and tired of the companies they were in. They were here one day but gone the next. They were shut down or whatever. So that's why these two people came together to create this company that was built on integrity and honesty and providing products and services that will help people to gain financial freedom. Okay? And they have an excellent affiliate program where you can earn 80% commissions on all of their products. Okay? So let me go through this real quick. I don't want to make this video too long. So in order to get started with this all-in-one $25 digital business, all you do is pay $25 every month. Okay, that's the minimum, $25 per month. But you can also earn, again, it's 80% commissions. So with the funnel builder, it's $25 per month, and you can earn 80% commissions on that, which is $20 per month, month after month, for as long as that customer keeps the funnel builder. Okay, but with the monthly membership, it is a total of $125 per month for that membership. Now, keep in mind, again, you're earning 80% commissions. So if you bring in somebody as a customer to the HBA and they become a member of the premium membership, you're going to be earning a $100 commission month after month after month for as long as they stay part of that membership. So a lot of people who get involved with Home Business Academy, they get both the funnel builder and the premium membership. So that's a total of $150 per month they're paying, and you're receiving $120 per month, month after month after month. So, you know, if you get enough of those type of customers, you're going to be earning some pretty decent money every month. Okay, and you only need 2 customers to be in profit. Okay, so again, there's 3 simple steps to this all-in-one $25 digital business. Their affiliate program, just 2 sales puts you into profit. Okay, so they want to work on helping you to get your business profitable quickly. Step 2 is to get you to $100,000 per year in 12 months or less. Okay, let me read this disclaimer real quick. Average affiliates can expect to earn $347 with this business. For full earnings disclosure, visit income.thehba.net. To earn much higher income amounts, work, skill, and commitment are required. This business has paid over $2 million in affiliate commissions so far, and in fact, it's more of $2.2 million has been paid out to their affiliates. So you can get to $100,000 a year in 12 months or less just by getting 1 to 2 sales per week. So that's 1 to 2 sales of the all-in-one $25 digital business per week, where they stay with it month after month. For 12 months, you're making $100,000 a year, okay, for the next year. And step 3 is developing the skills to have unlimited income for life. So this is the most important part. Yes, you can have the quick profits now. You can generate money where you can earn, a yearly 100K income, but their overall goal with this business is to make sure that you have the skills to create unlimited wealth for life. And those skills are how to generate traffic for your offers, whatever those offers are, how to generate leads from that traffic, and how to convert those leads into sales. Those are the skills that you need in order to be successful in any business you're in. Okay? Now, I'm not going to go through this whole page. You can get to this page by clicking the very first link below this video in the description area. Just put in your email address and you'll go to this page. There's a video you can watch, and there's lots of bonuses that are available to you if you decide to participate in this affiliate program. They're all-in-one $25 digital business. So you don't need your own products. You don't need your own websites. You don't have to deal with customer service or product delivery. You don't have to deal with any complicated techie sales stuff. All of that is done for you. Okay, so as you can see right here, paid out over $2.2 million. Okay, so what you do here, you can get up to $120 per month per customer, and they have a breakdown of how you can get to that $100,000 a year with just 2 all-in-one business customers per week who remain monthly customers. So you're earning up to $12,480 per month, which comes out to $149,760 per year, focusing on just 2 sales per week. Okay, so that's how you get to that 100K income, and you get all of these bonuses back here. Plus, you get access to 11 live trainings every single week. These are Zoom calls. You can go on these calls. Mike and Paul, the co-founders of Home Business Academy, they're on all of these calls, helping people, answering their questions. You get to look over their shoulders as they work their business, showing you exactly what they're doing in their business to generate leads and to follow up with their leads in order to convert them into sales. And you can follow along with them, do what they do, model them and everything. Okay, so you get access to a Facebook community, a chat group on Telegram, and one of the things that they also do, and this is why I love this company so much, is that they have partnered with an organization called Feed My Starving Children, and they provide meals to starving children all over the world. And as of today, the Home Business Academy has provided over 138,000 meals to starving children around the world. Every meal actually means that child is fed for an entire day. Each time you make a purchase of an HBA product or you make a sale of an HBA product, they donate a portion of that sale to Feed My Starving Children. So each customer acquired can generate more than 24 meals right away. Plus, the ongoing sales generate more meals every single month. Okay, so this is Paul Hutchings, one of the 7-figure co-founder owners here, and this is Mike Hobbs, the other one. Okay, and the people who are part of the home business community, we are called the Freedom Crusaders. Okay, so here's one thing: they have a 100% risk-free guarantee, and just to show you their back office here, this is the Funnel Builder Academy that you get when you get the Funnel Builder. So it shows you how to use the Funnel Builder, how to set it up, and also all of this Funnel Builder training back here. And they're constantly adding new training all the time. Okay, and the price never goes up. You can create as many pages, as many funnels as you want, and the price never goes up. It's only $25 per month. Now compare that to ClickFunnels, where you can make the same exact type of pages and membership sites and websites and everything, and you're paying between $97 per month to $297 per month. Okay, so you don't have to do that. Okay, you can create as many pages, as many funnels as you want with the HBA funnel builder for $25 per month. The price never goes up. Okay, and then the HBA premium membership right here, again, is all about traffic and conversions. They have all of this training, pre-traffic training, free traffic training strategies, and they're constantly adding to this section. So the price never goes up for the monthly membership, which is $125 per month. They just added the short form video lead generation training a few weeks ago, and this is all about how to create those short videos like TikToks, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, and Instagram Reels, etc. They have the YouTube ranking strategy course back here. There's like 11 videos in that. I've gone through that myself. Simple, free, unlimited leads with Facebook. They have paid traffic strategies back here, and how to get sales, how to convert your leads into sales. And of course, the high value bonus training and done for you funnels if you want to promote the HBA. So again, they do have those 11 live trainings every single week. Okay. And when you decide to join the Home Business Academy and this all-in-one $25 digital business, you just go down to the checkout, fill it out. But this part right here, this yellow box, is very important. If you're interested in this HBA premium membership, you don't have to get it if you can't afford it or if you don't want it. Okay, but if you're interested in it, you can get access to everything in the HBA premium membership for free for 2 full weeks. Okay, 2 full weeks for free. If you check this box that says, yes, I want free access, check that box off and it'll be added to your order. Okay, so it's added. There's 0 cost right now. So it's 2 weeks free of HBA premium and everything that comes with it. And then after the 2 weeks, your card will be charged $125 on a monthly basis. Okay, so all you're paying for today is the all-in-one business for $25. And then you get the free 2 weeks of HBA Premium if you check this box in the yellow box here. You get the HBA Funnel Builder to use for 30 days. And then after 30 days, you're going to be charged $25 per month. And then you're going to get all of the bonuses in addition to the Ultimate Email and Traffic Swipe File and the Freedom Launchpad course. There's lots of other bonuses that you're going to get. Okay, so just click the very first link below this video in the description area, put in your email address, and you'll go to this page and you can check out all those bonuses you're going to receive. So make sure you go over the income disclosure, agree to the refund and cancellation policy, and accept the terms and conditions. Check this box. Click yes, give me immediate access. Okay, so once you have paid the $25, you're going to receive emails from the Home Business Academy. Check your inbox. If you don't see it there, check your spam folder, but it should end up in your inbox. You get your login details and everything. To get started with their affiliate program right away, you just click on Affiliate Zone, and there are 4 videos in this section right here. This is the Affiliate Quick Start. Make sure you watch all 4 videos if you want to succeed. Okay, step 1 is all about how you're going to get paid and how to not miss out on commission. So you're going to set up your affiliate account and everything. Okay, step 4 is the quick launch strategy. This is where you can start promoting the all-in-one $25 digital business without having anything set up yet and get those commissions in quickly. Okay, so you can get yourself into profit. All right, next, scroll down. Step 3 video is setting up your all-in-one business funnel. So it's step by step, very simple to do. You got your timestamps here that shows you exactly like what to do to set up your funnel. And then step 4, get traffic to your funnel. Okay, so if you're ready to get started with the all-in-one $25 digital business, go ahead, click that first link below this video in the description area or the first pinned comment and check it out. Again, you're earning $20 and $100 monthly commissions month after month after month for as long as those people stay customers of those 2 products. Okay, go ahead, check it out. Thanks again for watching this video on affiliate marketing for beginners and the all-in-one $25 digital business by the Home Business Academy. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.